This 5-minute solution will show you how to change language on Mobile Legends on iPhone. So if you want to play the Mobile Legends in a different language, follow these simple steps to change your Mobile Legends language. Launch the Mobile Legends app and tap on the settings icon. Now tap on language. And here you will get bunch of different language. To select any of them, just click on the language that you want to use. Tap on OK. And now you have to restart your Mobile Legends game. So relaunch the game and enjoy the Mobile Legends game in a different language. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.